Hello everyone, this is my review of the Primal Snackmates chicken and apple sticks. The combination of chicken and apple gives it a slightly sweet, savory flavor that's really enjoyable without feeling heavy or overly processed. What I really like about these snack sticks is that they're made with simple ingredients. They're all natural, gluten-free, and certified paleo, which makes them feel like a much better option than many snack foods loaded with sugar or fillers. Each stick also packs a good amount of protein while staying low in sugar, so it's a snack that actually keeps you satisfied. I've found they work great as a quick bite during the day or when you need something to hold you over between meals. The size is also perfect for lunchboxes or taking on the go. They're small, easy to pack, and convenient for busy days, road trips, or after-school snacks. Kids seem to enjoy them just as much as adults do, making them a great option for families. Overall, these chicken and apple snack sticks are a tasty, protein-packed snack that's simple, portable, and made with clean ingredients. If you're looking for an easy snack that feels healthier but still tastes good, these have worked really well for me. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.